notifications కోసం
like, subscribe and share Rajendra Jadhav channel. Maths part 1st standard 10th unit number 2 quadratic equation, nature of roots of quadratic equation, part 5. Hi friends, watch this video till the end. See and solve the example for more practice given below the end of video. Send to my WhatsApp number. Hi friends, today we are going to learn about nature of roots of a quadratic equation. We know that x is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a are the roots of quadratic equation x square plus b plus c is equal to 0. First, if b square minus 4 is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. The value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. The roots are real and equal. Second one, if b square minus 4ac is greater than to 0, then roots are real and unequal. Value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. And third, if b square minus 4ac is less than to 0, then the roots are not real. Value of b square minus 4ac is less than 0, the roots are not real. Nature of roots of a quadratic equation is determined by the value of b square minus 4ac. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant of a quadratic equation and is denoted by delta sign. Delta is a Greek letter. See the following activity. Fill in the blanks. Value of discriminant and nature of roots. First example, value of discriminant is a 40. This number is a greater than to 0. The roots of this discriminant is real and equal. Real and equal. Second example, value of discriminant is minus 20. This value is less than 0. The roots are not real. Not real. Value of discriminant is 0. The roots, nature of roots, real and equal. Here the roots, value of discriminant is greater than 0. Therefore, here roots are real and unequal. Fourth, 35. Value of discriminant is 35. The roots are, nature of roots, real and unequal. Value of discriminant is minus. The value is less than 0. Therefore, the roots are not real. In this type, the value of discriminant is greater than 0. Roots are real and unequal. Value of discriminant is less than 0. Then the root is not real and the value of discriminant is equal to 0. Then the roots are real and equal. Let's see example number 1. Find the value of discriminant of the equation x square plus 10x minus 7 is equal to 0. Solution. First, comparing equation x square plus 10x minus 7 is equal to 0 with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Write down the value of a is equal to 1, value of b is equal to 10 and value of c is equal to minus 7. Find the value of discriminant. The formula of discriminant is b square minus 4ac is equal to, putting the value of b is the 10 square minus 4 into value of a is equal to 1 and value of c is equal to minus 7 is equal to square of 10 is equal to 100 minus minus plus 4 7s are 28 is equal to 128. The value of discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to 128. In this type, to solve the find the value of discriminant. See the next example. Example number 2. Determine nature of roots of the quadratic equation. First, equation 2x square minus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. First, compare with solution. Comparing equation 2x square minus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 7. Find the value of b square minus 4ac. Values of discriminant. Value of b is equal to minus 5 square minus 4 into value of a is equal to 2 and value of c is equal to 7. Therefore, square of minus 5 is equal to 25. 7 2 is 14, 14 4 is 56 and sign is minus 56. 25 minus 56, the sign of these two number is different, then the subtract lower small number in greater number. The subtraction of two number is minus 31, give the sign is a minus. Here the value is a delta, therefore b square minus 4ac is the value is less than 0, therefore the roots are not real. Therefore, roots are not real. In this type, solve the following equation and here find the nature of roots. Example number 2. X square plus 2x minus 9 is equal to 0. Solution. Compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here fill the blanks. A is equal to value of A is equal to 1, value of C is equal to minus 9, 4 into, here the value of A is equal to 1, and here the value of C is equal to minus 9, 9 1 the 9, 9 4 the 36, here the plus 36, 36 plus 4 is equal to 40, the delta is equal to 40, 40 is the value is a greater than 0, therefore b square minus 4ac greater than 0, the roots of the equation are real and unequal. This type of question are asked in your question paper, question number 2a and question number 3a. This is the activity based question. Example number 3rd, see root 3x square plus 2 root 3x plus root 3 is equal to 0. First, comparing equation root 3x square plus 2 root 3x plus root 3 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here value of a is equal to root 3, value of b is equal to 2 into root 3, and value of c is equal to root 3. Find the value of discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to, put the value in this equation formulas, b is equal to 2 into root 3 bracket square minus 4 into value of a is a root 3 and value of root 3 c is equal to root 3 is equal to square of 2 is equal to 4 and square of square root 3 is equal to 3 minus 4 into square root of 3 into square root of 3 is equal to square root of 9 and square root of 9 is equal to 3 is equal to 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. The value of delta is equal to 0. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. The roots are real and equal. The roots are real and equal. Next, example number 4. Determine the nature of the roots of the given quadratic equation. First, comparing equation x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0 with x square minus bx, x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here value of a is equal to coefficient x square 1, value of b is equal to minus 1 and value of c is equal to minus 1. Find the value of discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to, value of b is equal to minus 1 square minus 4 into value of a is equal to 1 and value of c is equal to minus 1. Therefore, square of minus 1 is equal to 1, minus minus plus 4 1 the 4, 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. The value of delta is equal to 5. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is the value is greater than 0. Therefore, the roots are given equation real and unequal. The roots are given equation real and unequal. Hi friends, below are example for more practice. Question: determine the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation from their discriminant. Solve it and send it to my phone. My WhatsApp number 9850169389. More information about this content, this chapter, call to me this number. Thank you.